Welcome in new Samsung Tricky Video. In this short video tutorial, you will learn how to remove accidental touch protection in Samsung devices. Accidental touch protection is a feature that prevents unintended touches on the screen from being registered as commands. While this can be helpful in preventing accidental actions, it may sometimes become an inconvenience for users who want to access their device quickly. If you want to remove accidental touch protection on your Samsung device, don't worry, it's actually quite simple. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap display. After that, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see the accidental touch protection option. So to remove or turn off accidental touch protection on your Samsung device, simply toggle off the switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, Tech and Tech, for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching.